Hey y'all, on today's episode we're making dirty rice. This recipe is packed with flavor. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Over medium heat in a large pot, we're going to add our ground beef and our andouille sausage. And as you can see, I am using the links, and all I had to do is remove the casing. Now go ahead and break the sausage and the ground beef, and we're going to cook them until they are no longer pink. After 13 minutes, this is how our meat is looking. As you can see, it is no longer pink. So now we're going to cook our next set of ingredients, which is bell pepper, celery, and onions. Now go ahead and cook the veggies until they are softened and the onions are translucent. Veggies are done cooking and they are translucent. Season with some cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, black pepper, creole seasoning, and your minced garlic or grated. After 5 minutes, this is how our meat is looking. Doesn't this look amazing? So now it's time to add in our chicken broth. And also add in your bay leaf. Give it a stir, and we're going to allow this to come to a boil. Now that it is boiling, still over medium heat, go in with your rice. And we're going to allow this to simmer until the water has reduced. Now that the water is reduced, give that a stir and turn the heat down to low. Place the lid on and go ahead and cook this for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your rice should be done. So grab a fork and give it a toss. Your rice should not be sticking. As you can see, this looks amazing. So now it is ready to be served. Top it off with some green onions and enjoy.